Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something very real, how to rebuild your life. Sometimes life does not go the way we expect. Things break, plans fail, people leave, and suddenly everything feels lost. You may feel confused. You may feel stuck. You may feel like starting again is too hard. But here is the truth. You can rebuild your life. No matter how many times you fall, you can rise again. Your past does not decide your future. Your next step does. In this video, we will learn simple and powerful steps to help you start again and build a better life. So stay with me till the end, because this might give you a new direction. Let's begin. Step 1. Accept your reality. The first step is simple, but very powerful. Accept where you are. Most people stay stuck because they don't accept their situation. They ignore problems. They pretend everything is fine. They say, "I will fix it later." But nothing changes until you accept the truth. Acceptance is not weakness. It is strength. It takes courage to say, "Yes, things are not right. Yes, I made mistakes. Yes, I need to change." When you accept your situation, your mind becomes clear. You stop running. You stop hiding. You start thinking about solutions. Imagine this. Instead of blaming others or feeling sorry for yourself, you sit quietly and say, "This is my life right now, and I am ready to change it." That moment is powerful, because now you are not a victim. You are in control. Remember this. You cannot change what you refuse to accept. Step 2. Let go of the past. The second step is to let go of the past. Not just physically, but emotionally. Many people are stuck not because of their present, but because of their past. They think about old mistakes again and again. They feel regret. They carry guilt every day. But the truth is simple. The past cannot be changed. So why carry it? Holding on to the past makes your mind heavy. It stops you from moving forward. Instead, forgive yourself. Say, "Yes, I made mistakes. But I am learning. I am growing." Letting go does not mean forgetting. It means accepting and moving forward. Sometimes the pain is not about mistakes. Sometimes it is about people. People who hurt you. People who left you. But holding on to that pain only hurts you. So let go. Not for them, but for yourself. Free your mind. Remember this. Your past is a lesson, not your life. Step 3. Change your mindset. Everything starts in your mind. If your thinking is negative, your life feels difficult. If your thinking is strong, your life starts improving. So, if you want a new life, you need a new mindset. Many people believe negative thoughts like, "I can't do this. I am not good enough. My life is finished." But these are not facts. These are just thoughts. And thoughts can be changed. When a negative thought comes, don't accept it. Replace it. If your mind says, "I failed," say, "I learned." If your mind says, "I can't," say, "I will try again." Slowly, your thinking will become stronger. Also, be careful about your environment. What you watch, what you listen to, and who you spend time with, all of it affects your mind. Choose things that help you grow. Feed your mind with positive ideas. Be around people who support you. Remember this: change your thinking and you change your life. Step 4. Start small, stay consistent. Many people fail because they try to change everything at once. They make big plans. They expect fast results. But soon, they feel tired and give up. Real change does not happen in one day. It happens through small steps. Start small. Wake up a little earlier. Read for 10 minutes. Work on your goal for 20 minutes. These actions may look small, but they are powerful. The most important thing is consistency. Doing something small every day is better than doing something big once. Imagine this. Day by day, you take small steps. Slowly, it becomes a habit. And habits change your life. At first, you may not see results. But keep going. Like a seed growing under the ground, change is happening even if you cannot see it. Be patient. Remember this: small steps every day create big results. Step 5. Remove what holds you back. Sometimes, improving your life is not about adding new things. It is about removing the wrong things. There are 3 common problems: bad habits, negative people, negative thinking. If you keep wasting time, avoiding work, and staying around negativity, your life will not improve. You don't have to fight anyone. You just need to create distance. Protect your time. Protect your energy. Ask yourself, what is stopping me from growing? And then slowly remove it. Maybe it is too much phone use. Maybe it is toxic people. Maybe it is your own negative thoughts. When you remove these things, your life becomes lighter. Your mind becomes clear. And moving forward becomes easier. Remember, you cannot grow if you keep holding on to what is pulling you back. Step 6. Control your time and energy. Your life is built by what you do every day. Not once in a while, but every single day. Time is limited. Energy is limited. If you don't control them, your life will stay the same. Many people waste their time without thinking. They use their phone for hours. They get distracted easily. At the end of the day, they feel tired. But they have no progress. Instead, take control. Start your day with a plan. Know what matters most. Focus on that. Also, protect your energy. Notice what makes you feel strong and what makes you feel tired. Avoid things that drain you. Do more of what helps you grow. Even small control over your time and energy can create big changes. Remember, your future depends on how you use your time and energy today. Step 7. Become a new version of yourself. The final step is this: become a better version of yourself. You cannot live a better life without becoming a better person. If you want success, build discipline. If you want peace, control your emotions. If you want growth, stay consistent. Ask yourself honestly, am I the person who can handle the life I want? If the answer is no, that's okay. Start becoming that person. Step by step. Day by day. It will feel uncomfortable at first. But that is part of growth. Slowly, you will change. Your thoughts will change. Your actions will change. Your life will change. And one day, you will look back and realize you are not the same person anymore. Remember this: your life changes when you change. Final message: rebuilding your life is not easy. It takes time. It takes effort. It takes courage. But it is possible. Start by accepting your reality. Let go of your past. Change your mindset. Take small steps. Remove negativity. Control your time. And become a better person. If you follow these steps, your life will change. Not instantly, but slowly and strongly. And one day you will feel proud, because you did not give up. You started again, and you rebuilt your life.